Experiencing computer issues can be frustrating, but many problems can be fixed with simple troubleshooting steps. Before reaching out for professional help, try a few basic tips that can quickly resolve common issues. This guide will introduce you to easy, practical solutions for getting your computer back up and running smoothly. Let's explore how you can troubleshoot your computer like a pro.
The problem: slow computer. The computer takes a long time to start up or run slowly. There are possible solutions we can try to solve this issue. Number 1, restart. Restart your computer to clear temporary files and reset processes. Number 2, free up space. Delete unnecessary files and programs to free up disk space. Delete all the old and unused files and folder. Empty the recycle bin. You can effectively recuperate storage space by emptying the recycle bin on a regular basis. Uninstall all unused applications. This will help free up valuable storage space on your computer's hard drive. It can also improve system performance by reducing background processes and unnecessary software dependencies. Number 3, checked closed background programs. Closed programs running in the background that may be slowing down your computer. Number 4, run an antivirus software. Use antivirus software to check for a possible malware that could be causing the slowdown. That's all, folks. See you on my next tutorial. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.